कि आपका बच्चा भी मुंह से सांस लेता है, उसको बार बार सर्दी खांसी होती है और रात को स्नोर करता है, then he may be suffering from adenoids. Now what are the consequences of adenoids? Sleep issues, hearing issues, and affects focus and growth of the child. This is not something to be ignored. Now how do you manage? Operation हर बार जरूरी नहीं होता. You can manage well with oral medication, nasal sprays, and most importantly, allergy control. If your child is suffering from these kind of symptoms, consult your nearest pediatrician now. Follow Peds with Murtaza for more.